Dhina, dhi kat. So dhina, dhi kat. Dhina, dhina. Tikratina, tirikituna katta. You're looking around. Tikratina, tirikituna katta, dhina, dhi. So these are different ways of manipulating your wrists, your chin, your eye movement, the eyelashes, the eyebrows. Everything has to be used. Now, in order to use it in sync, what you need to do is a proper warm-up. Now, warm-up consists of technically designed exercises, which is what I will be sharing with you in the intermediate sections. So supposing you're taking a ghungat, how does your neck go? If you have a nakab, how would the nakab go? So these are some of the delicate things that you have in the Luckhnow Kharana, a beautiful synthesis of the ghungat and the nakab. And I think that is the beauty of what I'm planning to share with you.